Yeah, started.
Okay. So hi, good evening guys, and today we are going to continue on the 18th point, that is a dashboard topic. And dashboard is it's very important in the whole the Tableau topic out of the whole Tableau subject. Okay. So what is the dashboard and how do we proceed for the dashboard exercise? So dashboard is simple, a combination of multiple reports, right? Multiple reports with the communication. So, a student scorecard. Have you seen that student scorecard? How it looks? A one single card contains multiple different information in a single card. I mean, the student attendance information, student, I mean, the subject wise, how he is where is he, the subject wise improvements, extra curriculum activities, right? And cultural activities, and any dancing or yoga, something like that. So in a single card, they're displaying about the candidate, how he is performing on a whole part. That means that will give you, by having all the different reports on a single card, the parent or principal can easily understand how is the student. At least they can estimate that. If the guy is not attending the school, then he is not well in the any area, maybe except a game or something like, but not in education, right? So that is a vice versa formula. If he is not attending, he is not good in subjects. So how they can easily decide that the student level student information by having all the information in a single place. Similarly, the scorecard is nothing but a dashboard here. Student scorecard is nothing but a dashboard here. Here also we are maintaining multiple sheets in a same place with a communication. Communication means if you click on one chart, that will respond, I mean the rest of the charts are responding to the selection on the first chart. So that is the correlation. It will give you the correlation. Clear?
Yep.
So we will set some target here. Our requirement is dashboard 1, which is a main dashboard. Name is, so create a sales, one is a profit map, RS profit map, profit state chart. Okay, it's a map chart. Next is a profit and category state, a bar chart. Next is a detail chart. This is the whole region, state, city, postal code. And next is product category, subcategory, name, segment. Okay. segment. And next is order date in a year level with the profit. Finally, this is a table chart, okay? Table format. So these are the three reports I'm going to place under the dashboard. I need to create and dashboard too. This is a detailed chart. This detailed chart contains third chart, okay? Table report. One second. Okay, so this is the dashboard 1 and dashboard 2. Initially, we are placing these three reports. Dashboard 1, and we will use the same third chart even in the dashboard 2. Now, the main usage of the dashboard is not only placing these charts, maintain the correlation between the charts by using the actions concepts. Correlation by actions window. Clear? So the actions is nothing but making a communication between charts, dashboards, between the charts, within the dashboard, okay? It's in dashboard. Between dashboards. Got it?
Yep.
It has a capacity to do these three level items, okay? And action types. One is the filter action. Second is highlight action. Third is URL action. Okay? Filter action means filtering the data, right? Data. Highlight means highlighting data. No filtering. Highlighting, right? As we discussed, there is an option highlighter, right?
Yes.
It will just focus on the person. It is not emptying the other items to focus that item. Okay. So are you clear theoretically?
Yes.
Yeah. So,
Let's go.
Kishore, 1 second. So you have here dashboard 1, that is main, right? Main in the sense you have like 3 boxes. In those 3 boxes, you are showing profit map, profit category, state. region, state, city, postal code, category, subcategory, name, segment. All these details in one.
No, it is yeah, exactly. So dashboard one is nothing but it's a name is a main dashboard name. The first dashboard name is main dashboard. Second one is sheet name, right? Similarly, dashboard name.
Okay.
So, but inside this dashboard, these three charts are initially available, and after that, the same code chart I'm using in the dashboard too again.
Okay.
So first we'll create a charts.
Okay.
Kishore, we can call it like a collection of reports is also called as dashboard.
Yeah.
And collection of sheets is reports.
Reports are sheets.
Okay.
So I'm cancelling all these existing connections. Okay, no, nothing is there. So connect to the same Excel file, look for a superstore, okay, and drag and drop the order sheet. This is enough. And with this data, first I'm preparing a map chart. So what I'm expecting, profit map chart, right? First double click the state, it will create a map chart. And put your profit onto the color. And also put your profit onto the label. Or you can put your state name onto the label to know the profit. Okay. And map is ready. So this is a profit chart again. Put in columns. And the next one is a category. First is state. State wise. And also category wise. So this category, how many categories are there under this category field? That all the categories repeated for each state. Okay, furniture, office appliances, technology, for Alabama, Arizona, across for every state. And here I am going to put my profit onto the label. Profit chart and bar chart is ready. Next is table. So I can type like here, region, state, city, postal code, category. How many fields as of now?
5.
Subcategory 6 and product name 7. Observe here now, when I add a 7th field, then the region and state fields got combined.
6 is the limit.
Huh? Central is the value from the region and Illinois is from the state.
The join is up.
Huh? What happens?
So the
And then if I'm adding a segment, one more field,
state
then what happens?
city will not interest.
Central, Illinois, and city. What's the problem? Have we discussed this one? This is out of dashboard topic. This is a different one. Okay. So, and when you are accommodating more than 6 fields, either in row shelf or in column shelf, will give you this kind of a nature. Okay, problem. So the Tableau can by default can accommodate a 6 fields only on a row level or in column level. That means you can maintain the 6 fields even here, and 6 fields both can accommodate maximum 12 only. 6 plus 6. More than that, what to do? It will automatically do this kind of a comma separated. If I'm removing a segment, then you can see city, right? And how to accommodate in case if I don't want to remove segment, I want the segment. Then we have an option, because the by default nature is a 6 fields only. Then to fix this problem, we have a under analysis menu, table layout, because right now we are working with a table chart. So look at a table layout under analysis menu and find the worst. But it is saying that the rows contains a 6 only, but here also some maximum capacity. By default even it is 16, but it cannot allow more than some couple of length. For example, I want to try 26. 20. Even I am typing 20, it is not allowing me. 16. 19. 18. 17. The maximum it can allow 16 only. Got it?
Okay.
So 6 is by default, plus 10 fields can accommodate maximum, totally 16.
Okay.
The maximum level of row labels, the maximum level of horizontal row labels, whatever you need to put finally, this should be same, these two places. For example, if you maintained 6 is, I'm putting as a 10, and then modify even here also. And this is a column level, that is your wish. If you are going to accommodate more than 6, then you can accommodate. And just
How about other BO tools?
Other views, generally we are not maintaining this many fields.
No, like for suppose in other like SAP BO and all, like so there also like the limit is 6 or like it will be.
I'm not sure in the other tools, but generally this is a analytical reporting tool. That's how they're putting some limitations. 16 fields is also very big picture.
Okay.
Scroll down, scrolling right? This is not an operational reporting tool mainly. If people are using this operational reporting tool, there is no use.
So mainly for analytics.
Mainly for analytics. So now you can see that after fixing the problem, I set n as row labels and row values. Then you can see all items are available as individual. Correct? So how many fields we have? 8 fields. And then 8 fields are displaying as it is. And put your profit onto the text box. Then you can see this is the profit. And put your order date by year level. Or find the order date here. Drag and drop here. One second. put your order date, drag and drop here. Then it is a year level display by default. Okay. So this is a third report. Clear now? Any questions in this one?
No.
Okay, right. So how to create a chart report? The first one. How to create a dashboard? The second one. Okay. So for the first one, we have a menu also, worksheet menu, new worksheet. Similarly, dashboard. Similarly, next topic is story point. So these three menus are acting as a shortcut icons here. Sheet, dashboard, story point. Story means it's a storybook. Book, right? A book symbol. First, we'll discuss the dashboard. So just create a dashboard here. Name as a main. Before understanding this whole body, I mean, before creating a report dashboard here and drag and drop the reports, we need to understand this entire layout. So the first one is a drop sheets here. Where are the sheets? You can see the sheets. Okay. That means we can easily understand, just drag and drop to the right side. But not only that, we need to understand this dashboard level and layout level. Okay. So inside the dashboard, the first option is a device preview. What is a device preview? Device means mobile device. So that means you can prepare the dashboards to target on a device basis. Sometimes have you designed the dashboards for iPad? Have you designed for a mobile? Dashboards for iPhone? Okay. They're asking these questions. Do you know how to design the dashboards for a phone? iPhone? Do you have iPhone? Any one of you?
Yes.
Okay. What is the phone series?
8.
8. So check this device preview. And the next moment you will get a layout, a small device preview. And is this a tablet or a phone or a desktop? Click the phone. Now this is the phone size. This is a phone which is a generic phone. But what is your phone? iPhone 8. What is the size of iPhone 8? Any idea?
No. It will be same as 7.
7. 7 plus or 7?
7. In 8 also we have 8 plus. Yeah.
But the size is different here, right? So plus is bigger.
Yeah, plus is bigger, but 8 is also same size of 7.
So iPhone 7. This is your phone size.
Yes.
In this, we need to accommodate all the dashboards.
Oh.
Yeah.
And you can see this is a Tableau mobile app. I mean, adjust the preview frame to show. What is that? Adjust the preview frame to show available screen size for devices running Tableau mobile. And here is the switch to landscape mode. Portrait and landscape. And finally, this is my phone, and this is my phone category, and this is my actual phone. I mean, the business users are using this phone, and finally they wanted to access the dashboard from this device. So exactly to target this phone device, this device based dashboard designing. Click add phone layout. When you click add a phone layout, you can see this is a phone with this layout, right? And this is an extra. But the whatever the circled item, this is your phone layout. Okay, and you can see, but we will discuss this one after discussing the default item. Then you can easily understand this picture. Okay, so basically it's just an introduction for you. What is the device preview? Clear?
Okay.
And after that, you can try this. You can access the dashboard from your iPhone. I will give you a provision for that. Just a second.
Hello.
Yeah. So, if you can skip this point, we have a size option. The size is nothing but this white area size. This is a carpet for a drawing, right? This is a carpet, or some people a whiteboard, designing area, anything. This is our carpet. And the carpet size is by default a desktop browser size. That's what this is. When you click this one, we have a first option, fixed size and automatic and range. And before that, we'll discuss the fixed automatic range. But inside the fixed size, the sub option is this many options. 1800 is a desktop browser site and full screen. Laptop browser, web page, blog, because we don't need to find what is the A4 size. This is A4 size. Why they are given is, even we can set our own value, custom. By using the custom option, we can set our own values. But why they have given this many options is, sometimes we don't need, we need to check what is the A4 size. Instead of that, they have given this option A4, A3, A2 like that. Okay, so that means even the same sizes you can maintain through custom. Finally, this is about all the pages with a fixed size. The desktop browser is a fixed size. There is no change. Blog is a fixed size. A4 paper means it is if you have this kind of size only, then it is calling as A4 paper size. A4 nothing but our normal printer. When you take a printing, right, resume printing, those things, those are all A4 printer size.
Okay.
Desktop browser. Automatically this width and height is available, and if you modify that, automatically it will change to custom. See, it is a custom. Then 1000, it is suitable for the desktop browser size. So that is the fixed size. And what is the benefit of fixed size is? The fixed size is nothing but a rigid nature. Rigid nature means there is no change. I mean, the size is a constant in every screen, in every device. For example, you are watching a movie or something else in a phone, in a laptop, in a TV, in a LCD TV, in a LED TV with a 40 inches or a 60 inches, then is that movie is automatically displaying as per your screen, the full body? adjusting to your screen, right? Automatically adjusting to your screen. In old movies, they're having some fixed size. Sometimes that we are not. 1 second. Okay. So this is a fixed size, means this size is not changing dynamically as per the device. Fixed means that is, it's a A4 size paper. If you put it in an iPhone, then iPhone cannot capture the whole A4 paper. I mean, the fixed means this is a fixed size, and if you go to the less size, fixed size means this is the desktop browser is some fixed size. If you go and see the same dashboard in the iPhone or a tablet, then it will come up with some scrolling bars, horizontal and vertical scroll bars. Clear?
Yeah.
This is the 1800 size, and if you are watching this from the CRT monitor, I mean there is a monitor size with 26 inches or 30 inches, a bigger size than this one, then you're not getting any scroll bars, but you will get some empty spaces surrounding, because that size is bigger than this size, the desktop browser size. If it is a small size, you will get a scroll bars. If it is a bigger size, you will get empty space surrounding to that after this body. Correct? That is a fixed. Questions? No questions?
So, Kishore, whatever you are mentioning it, right? So this will be under the requirement whether they want this view, how the view should be like that, or
yeah. Sometimes they will ask you, maybe they are not mentioning, but finally you can also propose that. So do you have any, I mean, are you people are accessing from the majority of the devices? What is that? Is from the desktop? What is the screen size? Right? Because they should not get any scroll bars. It's not a good to see. So what is the phone? Are they using the phone?
okay.
So, and what is the next is fixed after fixed? Automatic. The dashboard will resize to fit to any screen it is displayed on. Automatic means for my laptop, this is my size. If you go to the iPhone, this automatically adjusts. For any device, you don't need to design the device preview dashboards, specific device dashboards. Automatically adjust, but it will be a performance impact. Why? Because it has to adjust dynamically to the device basis, and the charts also has to be compressed if it is a small size, right? So it is a performance impact that people are not choosing this option. And range is also kind of a fixed size. It is not a fixed size, it is a kind of hybrid. I mean, hybrid means the fixed plus automatic. It is saying that, okay, within this range, if you can go with any device, I can automatically set, but it is having some fixed sizes, right? So maximum size and maximum width and height. I mean, they're setting some range of screen. So within that range, you can easily see that. Otherwise, it will get some scrolling. Just a second. Huh?
Rajesh?
Right. So now you got the point. What is the range?
Yes.
So now we are going with the first one, fixed size with the inside the desktop browser side. This is a small size. Or you can go with some more with it. 1100. Okay, this is fine. Letter landscape. Next, we have a sheets. Automatically, whatever the sheets we have designed before the dashboard, all the sheets are available here. Now after that, objects. Objects is the first one is a horizontal, second one is a vertical. Slicers means this page, in a childhood we are slice the page by using the pen, okay, by vertically like this, right, and horizontally like this, 4 boxes or 6 boxes. For example, if you are not by mistake you forget the books, some couple of books and notebooks, then what we'll do, we'll go with one white paper and we'll for each hour we'll divide by class wise. What is the topic, and the topic we are writing inside the paper, right? By using the slice the same page. Similarly, here also we can slice the page by using the horizontal and vertical, but not. It is not display like physical display. It is internally display like that. Okay. When you drag and drop the map, see, it is automatically filled. And next is, if I am dragging drop the bar, you can do vertically and you can do like this. Now it is displaying only vertically, right?
Yeah.
So this is horizontal and vertical means, the horizontal means it's dividing in vertically. Vertical means dividing horizontal. Yeah?
Yeah.
So icons are displaying like this. And next is a text box. Text box means about the dashboard you can narrate. I mean, this is a sales dashboard or a profit dashboard, something like. And image. Sometimes we need to maintain the client logo in the dashboard, in the report, right? So drag and drop the image and it will prompt for image and downloads and Tableau, for example, Coca-Cola. This is if we are working for a Coca-Cola client, then this is the Coca-Cola image here. But it is occupying the whole body, right? The screen look like.
Yeah.
The image is occupying small size, but the entire object is occupying the full body. Cancel that item. And next is the web page. You can also attach a web page. I mean, the left side, it is a logo. It is the text which is displaying the sales dashboard or profit dashboard. And you can right side, you can maintain the web page about that company. For example, www.coca-cola.com. This is the website of the Coca-Cola. It will display that item. Fetching the Coca-Cola website content inside and placing here. Okay. And it's the blank space, and extension is a new option. Earlier we don't have this option. Extension is still under preview version. It is not even in 10.2 latest. I'm using a unreleased item, right? Preview released. This has a new option, which what they're saying with that extension is saying that extension will help you to write the data from the report to the backend data. That is one help, one benefit. Very important option, but even I'm not understanding with the current situation. So extension. Integrating third-party applications inside dashboard, Tableau dashboard. Clear?
Okay.
Generally, in general scenario, I have a web application or some other items, okay, and service. I have a web application, and these are my report server. Both are independent applications. Both are having a different content, but by using the one common series, common field, or the users are saying that because the majority of the content is here, okay, and can you integrate the report into this application by using a separate menu or something else, okay, or call from the application service. Clear? That means it is easy in the web application. They can create an empty page and they can use some scripting language to access the report page inside. That means integrating the Tableau reports or SAP reports, whatever it may be, into a web application, and the people can access those reports in the same link. They don't need to travel to other place. Clear?
Okay.
And the Tableau is overriding that option.
So that means like a SAP report, just we can open here itself.
Inside web application.
Inside web application. We need to provide the just web URL.
Web URL, yes. So Tableau is saying that this is the scenario we already exercised since so many years. Why don't you try this option? Extension. Your service will call inside the Tableau, okay, and you can feel it different. I mean, you don't need to, not only for that, sometimes we are calling these reports inside the web application on a page basis. But anyhow, what they're saying that you can integrate your service inside the Tableau. We don't need to go outside. Okay.
Okay.
And the extensions has so many benefits. The one of the benefit I like is writing back data from reports of Tableau to writing back data from reports to database. Generally, we are reporting users means reporting developers has only option to read the data.
Correct.
But this has, in case if you give a flexible to write, I mean, if the even they have given you write access, you don't have an option to write the data back from the reporting tools.
Yes.
Now they are giving this option. You can also write the data back to the database. A scenario is like this. The manager is looking at the okay.
You were using extension?
Yeah, using the extensions we can do that.
Okay.
Employee salary report. Katur and Rajesh and Uday like this. Okay, he's saying many people information with around salary 25,000 here like this. This is the Tableau report. Okay, so out of these three, I mean that Rajesh has a concern and then he raised a concern to the manager. I want the more salary, at least a 10 to 20% increase. And finally, the manager is also agreed and how to change this value. This is the reporting area, right?
Yeah.
The manager has to go to the corresponding application and then he need to modify there. And after that, that will reflect in the reporting section, correct?
Yes.
But this time, inside the report, he can modify the 15, he can calculate manually or somehow, okay, he can give 20,000 or 18,000 as the value. That value go and hit the database and on the corresponding record place. That value modify there.
Oh.
So you don't need to go to other application to enter this value. From the Tableau, he can do that.
It's like an interface.
Yeah, this is a writing back. That is the meaning. Writing back from the reporting tool to your database.
Nice feature.
This is the new option from the next version, not in the current version. In the released version, this option is not available. It will come in the next version. That is the extension. Clear?
Yeah.
And next we have a tile and floating. What is a tile means? For example, if you drag and drop this chart, it will occupy the whole space. The gray color is coming.
Yes.
Before that, white. After that, gray. So that means you are occupying the whole body with the tiled option. Cancel this. Cancel. And this is empty. Now if I go with the floating means the size is floating in the entire space. I mean, if you drag and drop the map, it will come up with some small object. And the bar chart, you can put like this. Table chart, you put like this. After that, you can arrange the sizes. Okay. So you can put here the text box also to accommodate the text. This is the profit dashboard. Make it bigger size. Make it center. Change color. Make it bold. Make it italic. That is the profit dashboard. And you can also put here the client image. Put here. Put this one. And that's it. It is not occupying the full space, right? It is occupying only the image size. Looks good. Now I want to draw a line. I want to
these all options you're getting only because you selected floating?
Correct. I mean, floating will give you the customized size. The tile will not give you the customization. It will automatically, there is no option to customize, but here you have an option to customize.
Okay. Floating will give you options to customize whatever the picture size it should be.
Correct. If you want to make it bigger or smaller, that is up to you. That is under your control.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a floating. Now I want to draw a line here. Okay, to divide the header body and then the main body. This is like a header, right? Header of this report, and this is the content inside the body. But where is the line option? I want to draw a line. See, do you have an option? Line? No options, right? And they're saying that you need to get it as an image. There is no line option. You can use a line as image. For example, draw one more image, because I already maintained a line option, line image. I have created on my own on the image paint screen and save it as some screen, save it as a PNG or some JPG and put like this and expand this one. Where is that? Clear? This is how. This is how we need to do a line.
ఆప్షన్ ఒకసారి ఎక్కడ ఉందో చూపించండి.
జస్ట్ ఇమేజ్ ఇది.
జస్ట్ ఇమేజ్ లైన్ ఇమేజ్ తీసుకున్నారా?
పిక్చర్ కోకో కోలా బదులు లైన్ తీసుకున్నాను.
ఓకే.
ఇమేజ్
ఇన్ జనరల్ గా లైన్ జనరల్ గా గీయొచ్చా డాష్బోర్డ్ లో?
లేదు.
ఒక ఇమేజెస్ ని మనం సేవ్ చేసుకుని మళ్ళీ మనం యూస్ చేసుకోవాలి.
ఓకే. సో నెక్స్ట్
అక్కడ అది ఏంటిది కిషోర్, పైన ప్రాఫిట్ డాష్ బోర్డ్ పైన ఒక పెన్సిల్ లాగా ఉంది, అది ఏంటిది? అది లైన్ కాదా?
హైలైట్. ఇది కంప్లీట్ గా డిఫరెంట్.
ఓకే.
ఓకేనా? సో we will continue this tomorrow.
ఓకే, షూర్. కిషోర్, ఈ వీడియో ఫైన్ అంటే నేను రికార్డ్ చేస్తా కాబట్టి లాస్ట్ వీడియో మీ దగ్గర ఉన్నట్టుంది.
అవునవును. ఐ థింక్ చేయలేదు, షేర్ చేయలేదు మీకు.
నాకు షేర్ ఉదయం నీకు షేర్ చేస్తారా?
లేదా?
ఓకే, నేను చూస్తాను.